Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm gonna teach you how to execute Python file in Run Dialog. So this is crazy technique to run Python file. You may not see this before. To execute Python file, we need to make a bash file which is called .bat file. To do some stuff like we do in command prompt, we need to make a file called bash file. So don't worry, it is super easy. And the interesting thing is you only need to make the bash file only once. After that you can change the file location and the Python file will run automatically. And why you should use bash file to run Python code, because it's save a lot of time, because you don't need to save the file every time and run it or make some changes. You don't need that thing, and it's super fast to run. Let's start our today's video.